Alrighty guys, so I'm going to show you our Airbnb first, and it is lived in. We've been here for just about a day, but I wanted to show you pretty much the charming and quaint vibes that this place is giving off. I mean, this place is over 100 years old, so they've done a great job trying to revamp it a little bit. So let me give you a tour and show you our beautiful place in Wray, Georgia. So this is the kitchen. And then coming into the next room, we have the dining area. Super, super sweet. I love it so much. They did a really good job with like rustic decor that it works well with the room. And then they gave us this little gift basket here, which this is the wine that they make. This is the non-alcoholic version. And then they gave us little shortbread, blackberry jam shortbreads, and some little hack to make wine, I guess. But all right, coming into here, this is mine and Seth's room with these beautiful French doors. Just super beautiful. These are original hardwoods. I think this thing is called a secretary. It's so cool. And then that is the front door, if you will. And then on the other side, we have the living room, which you can see through to the kitchen and the dining room right here. Super gorgeous. I love the decor. I love the furniture. It's just super cute. And then next to my room here is my brother's room, which you could honestly sleep so many more people. It's just a really cute room, nice and small. And then in there is my parents' room. There is a queen bed in there. And then they also have a bathroom in there. And then coming through into here, you've got a washer and dryer. Really nice full bathroom. Very tiny shower, but it's a good bathroom. There is a front porch that has a swing and some nice chairs, and it's so scenic and beautiful with all the trees surrounding it. And then there is a back patio that has my personal favorite, a fire pit. And then if we come outside, one of the coolest, if not the coolest, amenities that this place has, in the winter especially, is a fire pit that seats all your guests. Firewood is provided, and there are chairs, and it is just so amazing on a cold winter night. Along with sleeping, I think, up to 8 guests, this place also allows pets. Like Toby right here. Say hi! But perhaps the coolest thing about this accommodation is the fact that it's on a working vineyard. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this vineyard is called the Paulk Vineyards. Apparently it's a very well-known family. They even offer wine tastings, and they sell their products at a building down the road, which you're going to check out tomorrow, and I'm going to vlog that for you guys. But the Paulk Vineyards cover over, I think, 800 acres of vineyard in South Georgia, and that to me is just like unheard of. Like, it's so crazy to me. But the property is beautiful. It's the winter right now, so they're obviously not green and lush like they would be in their season, July through usually October. But guys, this property is so amazing, and they allow you to walk through the vineyards and just stroll around enjoying the beautiful weather, which is a bit chilly, I will admit, but it's beautiful nonetheless. All right guys, now it's time for a very, very fun activity. Riding in the Polaris. Let's go. Oh, look at those, wow. Woo! Dang right, guys, that is all I have for you today. Just showing you around our accommodations, our Airbnb in South Georgia. Again, this vineyard would be so pretty in the summertime around July when everything is lush and green and ready to be picked. For now, it's a cold winter night, so I am going to chill by the fire. It's going really, really beautifully right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content right here on Jetlag Live. I will see you guys in the next one.